Just wait.
No.
You were totally teasing him.
No.
Bubble.
Whoa.
No, stop hitting it, guys. No.
I can't flip it. Uh-oh, that's a too small one. Whoa.
Closer to the baby?
Closer to the baby?
Yeah.
Sure. Ethan, don't run over your brother.
Oh, keep closer right there so baby can get by.
Darlene's still taking a picture.
Ah.
Wow, Tisha.
Bubble.
Yeah, Bubble.